Hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be having a look at Introduction to Matrices. And a matrix, or matrices if you like, are made up of numbers arranged in rows and columns. And the numbers inside the matrix are referred to as elements or entries of a matrix. Now let's consider matrix A. Matrix A. Now, matrix A is made up of the elements 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 0, minus 2. Okay. So when we look at this order of matrix A, what we're looking for is we're looking at the rows first, okay, which is, we call this row 1, row 2, and row 3. We then look at the columns. So there's column 1, column 2, and column 3. So this order of operation, this order of matrix is in fact referred to as the rows first and the column. So the row, as we said, or rows, we've got 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. So the order is 3, and then we've got 3 columns. So the order is 3, 3. So it's actually 3 by 3. Just to make it simpler for you. So the row always comes first, then the column. Rows, then the column. So it's actually a 3 by 3. Okay. Now let's have a look. Let's have a look and go further into this. So we can now say it has 3 rows. We can say it has 3 columns. Okay. Now, if we have a look at the same matrix and have a look at matrix A, elements 1 and 2. So, when we have elements 1 and 2, again, we're always referring to the first one as row and the second one as column. So the row is first and column is second. So let's have a look at this one here. Row 1, column 2. Row 1 and column 2. Again, there's row 1 and there's column 2. So this one will actually be 0. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So we said 3, 1. Again, always the row first, then the column. So if we have a look at this one, row 3, so there's row 3 and column 1. So row 3, column 1 will be minus 3. So equal to minus 3. Okay, we'll do one more. Let's say we said A, 2, 3. Again, row and column. So, row 2, there's row 2, column 3. Column 3 is 4. Okay, that's the simplest way of looking at it. Just to go through, I'll give you a few examples of different matrices. Let's say we said A equals, we'll have a look at the different orders. 1 minus 3, 2, 1, B equals 1, 3, 4, C is equal to, let's say we said 0, 1, 4, 2, 1, no, minus 3, minus 2, 1. So minus 2 and a 1. So if we have a look at this order again, there's the row, one row there, row 1, and row 2. There's the column 1, column 2. So it's actually 2 by 2. Right? 2 rows and 2 columns. That's the matrix order there. This one here simply has 1 row. So it's actually 1 times 3 columns. So it's actually 1 by 3. This one here is 1 row, 2 rows. 1 column, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So it's actually 2 rows by 4 columns. So it's actually 2 by 4. Okay. Let's have a look at something a little bit different now. Let's say, for example, we had a look and we had a look at another matrix, and we'll call it matrix A equal to 1 minus 1, 2, and minus 4. And matrix B is equal to 0, minus 3, 4, and minus 1. And let's say we wanted to find what A plus B equals. Now, before we add or subtract, we need to make sure that the order of these matrices are the same. This is row 1, row 2. So it's made up of 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2. Okay. This one is a 2 rows by 2 columns. So it's 2 by 2. So we can add or subtract this matrix because the order of each matrix is the same. Remember, when we're adding or subtracting, the order must be the same. So if we have a look at A plus B, and so we've got 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4 plus 0 minus 3, 4 and minus 1 is equal to, now, so we're going to say 0 plus 0. Oh, sorry, 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0. Then we're going to say minus 1 plus minus 3. So we're going to say minus 1 plus minus 3. Okay. Then we're going to say 2 plus 4. So that's 2 plus 4. Then minus 1 plus minus 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, minus 4 plus minus 1. So minus 4 plus minus 1. Okay. That's now equal to 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 plus minus 3 is the same as saying minus 1 minus 3. which is minus 4. So that's minus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 4 plus minus 1 is the same as saying minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. And remember, the order of this matrix is 2 rows by 2 columns, 2 by 2. Okay, there we have it, matrix A plus B. Now let's have a look at another example. If we said A minus B, let's have a look at that one there and see how different that is. So A is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus matrix B, 0 minus 3, 4 and minus 1. Now that's equal to 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 3, 2 minus 4 and minus 4 minus 1. So that's equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is the same as saying minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 4 minus 1 is the same as saying minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. Okay. And this order of operation is 2 by 2. Let's have a look at another example of 2 times A, which is equal to, so 2 times matrix A is the same as saying 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Okay. And just another example, if we said 3 times B is equal to 3 times 0, which is 0. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.